Trying to diagnose a 2004 Ford no start situation. So here's the key on. Makes lots of noise. And you can kind of hear things clicking. Not sure if that's injectors or Thickum. There's a little blue thing on the fuel bowl. Some upgrade of some sort. And that is where something is. Okay, now let me try and do the crank. So, it doesn't start, and I've been trying it for a while. I checked the fuel in the float bowl. It has fuel. I'm waiting for a pressure tester. I don't know. We'll see.